Retailing at just €119, the Nokia 2.4 offers exceptional quality and performance. With adaptive battery and AI imaging, the Nokia 2.4 is a perfect companion. Easy to unlock with a fingerprint or just a glance, its 6.5-inch HD Plus screen uses the cinematic 21:9 format, so you can carry the big screen with you wherever you go. The camera provides the flexibility of a dual setup, a main camera and a depth sensor. AI camera functionality like dedicated night mode and the ability to take portraits with shapes in the background blur and edit them in post-capture are both being introduced to a Nokia 2 series device for the first time. The Nokia 2.4 is ready for Android 11 and beyond, so you always get to experience the latest Android innovation. And its 3D nanotexture cover will keep it in great shape for much longer. Always inspired by our Finnish roots, with this latest addition, we are introducing a fresh color palette to the portfolio through new earthy tones in a stunning gradient finish, taking our design another step closer to home. The Nokia 2.4 will be available in charcoal, a beautiful shade